Hi everyone, this is Anil Kumar. Now we are going to solve a problem from trigonometry. Okay, the given problem is show that under root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A equal to sec A plus tan A. Okay, this is the given problem for us. Okay, now given that we have to prove here LHS equal to RHS. LHS is given under root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Now to get the solution we have to rationalize this one. Okay, now we have to rationalize this one with the denominator rationalizing factor. With the denominator's rationalizing factor we have to rationalize this one. So rationalize with the 1 plus sin A, because what is the rationalized factor of 1 minus sin A? 1 plus sin A. That's why rationalize with the 1 plus sin A. Now 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Okay, now if we rationalize with 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Okay, now we are rationalizing with 1 plus sin A. Okay, now 1 minus sin A rationalizing factor is what? 1 plus sin A. So if we rationalize with 1 plus sin A, we can write it as 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Okay, now on observing this we can write 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. In the numerator we can write 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is equal to what? So it is in the form of A plus B into A plus B. We know the formula A plus B into A plus B is equal to what? A square A plus B whole square. Using this we can write it as 1 plus sin A whole square. We can write it as 1 plus sin A whole square. Now if we take this one 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A, it is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. We know the formula of A plus B into A minus B, that is equal to A square minus B square. Okay, using this formula we can write it as 1 square minus sin square A. Why did we write it like that? Because it is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So formula of A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. That's why we have written 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A as 1 square minus sin square A. Okay, next 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 square means 1 only minus sin square A. Okay, now under root of 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin square A. Okay, now we can write 1 plus sin A whole square as like that only, but 1 minus sin square A we can change. How? Because we know the identity cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. We know the identity cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. From this we can write cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. What is the value of cos square A? Cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A we can write. Using this, here we have 1 minus sin square A. So 1 minus sin square A is equal to what? Cos square A. That we can substitute in the given problem. Okay, now if we substitute it, we can write it as, in place of 1 minus sin square A, we are writing cos square A. Okay, Now it is in the form of root a by b. Root a by b. Root a by b, we know the formula of root a by b, that equal to root a by root b. Okay, now we are writing it as under root of 1 plus sin a whole square by under root of cos square a. Okay, now we have written under root of 1 plus sin a whole square by under root of cos square a, because it is in the form of root a by b. This one is in the form of root a by b. We can write it as root a by root b. Using this, we have written this step. Okay. The next step is, we know square and root gets cancelled. Here also square and root gets cancelled. The remaining one is 1 plus sin a by cos a. Okay. If we split these terms, we can write it as 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. We know the value of 1 by cos a. It is equal to sec a, because sec is the reciprocal of cos. Okay, now we know the formula of tan a. Tan a is equal to what? Tan a is equal to sin a by cos a. Using this, sin a by cos a is equal to what? Tan a. Here we have sin a by cos a. That's why we can substitute this value here. So sin a by cos a is equal to tan a. Okay. From this, we got the required answer, sec a plus tan a.